Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. Now, today's video ay para sa inyo mga Capricorn. Kung anong mga naghintay para sa inyo ngayong buwan ng September. So, tutok na Capricorn, alright! So, universe, what is your message for Capricorn ngayong September? So, paalala guys, this is not for everybody. Kaya take what is resonate for you. Alright! So, Capricorn, may big celebration na mangyayari ngayong September. May mga wish fulfillment ding mangyayari. At may mga mission accomplished, no? May mga parangal na mangyayari din para sa inyo ngayong September. So, born to be a CEO din ang mga Capricorn. Alright. So, victorious din ang mga Capricorn ngayong September. If you can see, may celebration at victorious. Alright. Yes. So, Capricorn, huwag mag-focus sa isang bagay lamang, okay? Bigyan mo rin ng pansin ang ibang mga bagay-bagay, okay, Capricorn? Yes. Or i-keep mo ang iyong mga pag-aari, Capricorn. Kung anong mga plano, idea, whatever, keep it yourself, alright? So, may mga kasunduan din kayong Capricorn ng ating divine ngayong September. Some of you ay pagkalooban ng healing powers. Some of you ay napaka-close ng ating divine, ng ating Panginoon, at ng ating ancestors, ang mga Capricorn. Yes. So, Capricorn, you have also an angel. No? Protektado ka ng ating Archangel Michael. Capricorn. So, some of mga Capricorn ay medyo may iniindang nakaramdaman, upset ngayong September. Yes. So, be careful to spend money also, Capricorn, no? Baka ma-loss sa finances tayo ngayong September. Yes. So, some of you ay OFW, no? Malayo sa pamilya. Some of you ay may laging naghintay pa rin sa inyong mga Capricorn. Or either this is you, no? Naghintay pa rin sa mga Capricorn. Or either you, Capricorn, na may hinihintay ka pa rin tao hanggang ngayon. Alright. Yeah, so some of you mga Capricorn din ay nagbabalak mag-OFW sa mga taong nasa Pinas pa. Yes. So, medyo hindi makatulog ang mga Capricorn na stress ngayong September. Yes. Kaya, protektaan mo ang iyong sarili, Capricorn. Alright. Yeah, that is mga negative energy, Capricorn. Yes, may mga negative energy dito sa baraha mo, Capricorn. Yes, may baraka dito na you're upset, you're sad, pag-aaway sa pamilya, sa mag-asawa, hindi makatulog, something, no? Yes. Dahil may tao dito na medyo na-envy or nag-jealous sa mga Capricorn. Kaya use protection, Capricorn, ngayong September. Alright. Yes, nag-jealous dahil sa some of you ay happy family ang iyong pamilya, Capricorn. Alright. Yes, so some of you ay kakasal ngayong September. Alright. Yeah, so be careful, you have the devil card here. So be careful sa ating mga addiction, mag-ingat maglakad, huwag maglakad mag-isa, something. Okay, huwag basta-basta magtiwala kung may manliligaw. Dealing about money also, baka ma-scam pa tayo. Alright. Yes, so may mga soulmate din sa mga single. May mga kasunduan din ng ating divine kung ikaw ay may kapartner na, something like that, no? Some of you ay may healing powers, no, na pagkaloob ng ating Panginoon. Yes, so you have a psychic abilities also, Capricorn. Yes, may mga psychic abilities. So may mga inaabandona ka rin, Capricorn, na mga offer. Yes, so huwag mag-focus isang bagay lamang, Capricorn, okay? Bigyan mo rin ng pansin ng ibang offer. So maraming plano ngayong September tungkol sa pera. May mga hard work payoff din na mangyayari ngayong September. Makilala ang iyong pagka-focus, determinasyon sa buhay, Capricorn. May kakasal, again, this card is coming out. Prosperity and abundance. May mga wish fulfillment na mangyayari din ngayong September. May maghingi ng apology ngayong September. At may anak kang lalaki, Capricorn, apo ba, pamangkin ba na nagdadala sa iyo ng swerte sa buhay, karangyaan, no? Something. Yes, abundance. So may biglang lipatan trabaho, bahay, o country, no? Big transformation ngayong September ang mga Capricorn. Yes, so may mga naggabay din sa inyo mga Capricorn. Either this is your father, big brother, or uncle, something like that na nagprotekta sa inyo lagi. Okay? At kung pag-uusapan naman natin ang spiritual world, ito ay ating God or Father Capricorn na handang tulungan ka na nasa iyong tabi lamang Capricorn. Okay? So, the ship is on the way. Kung anong mga hinihintay mo, abay paparating na yan, Capricorn, ngayong September. So, some of your friends and family members ay medyo na broken-hearted dito, no? Yes, medyo na upset sa mga natamasa ng mga Capricorn ngayong September, no? May mga biglaang transformation, abay ang ating friends diyan or sino mang kakilala natin, no? Na, of course, no? Yes, jealous and envy. Oh, public recognition, makilala ang mga Capricorn ngayong September, maparangalan. Yes. Alright, so may mga third party din dito Capricorn, okay? Take what is resonate for you. Okay, may mga third party din ngayong September. Abay, laging alert to Capricorn, alright. So may mga makilala na talento ngayong September. You become famous, Capricorn, ngayong September. You are the center of attraction also, Capricorn. Alright. Hindi mag-umpisa ang kasiyahan pag hindi ka makarating, Capricorn. Okay. Yes. So, overcoming difficulties din ang mga Capricorn ngayong September. Malampasan mo ang mga pagsubok sa buhay. Victorious ang mga Capricorn din kung anong yung mga pinaglalaban. Aba, you win, Capricorn. Alright. Some of you ay makabili ng sasakyan. Some of you ay mag-upgrade ng sasakyan. Alright. Yes, so may mga calling kayo Capricorn ngayong September o Judgment Day ng ating mga kalaban kung sino man yung mga nanakit sa inyo mga Capricorn. Ang divine na ang bahala dyan. So may travel ding mangyayari ngayong September. Alright, air travel ngayong September. Or check din minsan Capricorn sa ating mga inbox. Baka may mga email dyan na hindi mo nabasa. No? Yes. So additional message for Capricorn ngayong September. Capricorn, forgiveness. So, kung sino man yung nakasala sa atin, abay magpatawad tayo Capricorn. Alright. So, standing still pa rin ang mga Capricorn. Nakatayo pa rin. Yes, kahit ano nang nangyari sa buhay, I still standing on the ground. Leadership. So, Capricorn, you have ability as a leader. Some of you ay may mga big responsibility ngayong September. No? Yes, some of you ay ma-promote something. So, some of you mga Capricorn ay may maraming kaalaman tungkol sa spiritual world. Yes, so yan na siguro ang bigay sa inyo ng mga ng ating may kapal para sa inyo mga Capricorn, no? Tinatadhana sa inyo. Some of you ay manggagamot. Yes, some miracles. Expect miracles ngayong September. Yes. Truth. Be true to yourself, Capricorn. Alright? Be true. Kung hindi na deserve sa buhay mo, wag mong pilitin ang mga taong iyan, no? Na hindi deserve sa buhay mo, Capricorn. Let it go sa mga taong toxic. Alright? Be true to yourself. So, sabay sa Agos lamang ang mga Capricorn ngayong September. Still the one ang mga Capricorn. Okay. Stillness. Yes. So, new beginning ngayong September para sa mga Capricorn. Be patient, Capricorn. The ship is on the way. Kung anong mga hinihintay mo sa buhay. Be patient. Okay. Relaxation. Relax din pag may time, Capricorn. Okay. Huwag laging magtrabaho. Pahinga din pag may time. Yes. So, kung ano ang dapat nating actionan na natin. Huwag nang patagalin. So, may mga travels, may mga okasyon, mga ligo ba ng beach, or pool, or bonding with the family, whatever, kung ano man yung mga travel na mga something kasiyahan. So, diligent, be patient, Capricorn, alright. So, mataas na ang naabot ng mga Capricorn, no? Mataas na ang lipad. So, this is your bottom of a deck, wonders. So, some of you ay gumagamit ng mga crystal crystal na mga bracelet, something like that. Okay, so some of you ay may mga ability, no? Some of you may ability na gumagawa ng mga lucky charms. Yes, ang mga Capricorn. Some of you ay malakas sa spiritual world, ang mga Capricorn. So, judgment day for your enemy ngayong September. May nakikipagmarites sa mga inyo, Capricorn, gossiping on you. Psychic attack. Oh. Yes, they hate you to see you shine. May psychic attack, kaya minsan ikaw ay upset, pag-away-away sa mag-asawa, no? Loss of finances, that is psychic attack. Your prayer is answered, Capricorn. Very soon, I will bless you with a life filled with happiness, laughter, and numerous wealth, Capricorn. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them. For the Lord God goes with you. He will never leave you, nor forsake you, Capricorn. 7-7, wonderful things are about to be happen ngayong September. So, swerte. Oh, follow your intuition, Capricorn. Alright. If you can see 888, this means financial and materials. Abundance is on the way. You will get unexpected rewards for your past good work. Your life purpose is fully supported by the universe. Sana all suportado ng ating universe, ang mga Capricorn. Jesus Christ loves you, Capricorn. If you can see 666, reflect. It's time to wake up to your higher spiritual truth. As I've told you, malakas ka sa mga spiritually, Capricorn, may kaalaman ka dyan sa mga spiritually, okay? So, X is coming back sa mga Capricorn ngayong September. Spirit want you to strengthen your vibration. Empath, you are empath, Capricorn. You can absorb sa mga taong may mga karamdaman, no, ma-feel mo, no, na siya ay happy, siya ay sad, whatever. Like that. You're going to be rich, Capricorn. The Holy Spirit works with you. Your angel is crying, Capricorn. So, kung ano man yung mga labag sa batas, mga bawal, whatever, minor, okay, your angel is crying now. Be ready, your gift is on the way. You have a gift of courage, Capricorn. You receive blessings from your ancestor. Intuition 111. Trust your gut and listen to your heart. Oh. You're planning to buy a car, OMG. This card is car also. Alright. So evil family members is jealous. You pass your test or exam, Capricorn, ngayong September. No? Exam ba sa health, exam ba sa trabaho, whatever, kung ano mga exam na yan. You receive a blessings because of your talent. Everybody looks at you, Capricorn. Of course, kung ikaw ba naman ay mala celebrity or the center of attraction, of course, eyes on you. Co-workers is jealous of you. You are a good provider. Your love is real, Capricorn. Unexpected opportunities is arrive. You're buying a land or a house, OMG. This card also is like land and house, no? Something nagkakaroon ka ng sarili mong lupain. Get up, Capricorn. 333. Use your inner strength to keep going. It's already been done, Capricorn. Kung ano man yung mga plano mo sa buhay. You have a lots of admirer. Wow. Wanting to be homeless. So be careful, okay? May mga taong gusto kang magka-homeless. So, your intuitive is true. Ooh. God is in your side, Capricorn. So, this is confirmation also. God is in your side. See? If you remember this card. Okay, kung pag-uusapan natin ang spiritual world. So, they shy to tell you that you have feelings on you. May mga secret admirer pala. So, big reward ngayong September. You're willing to help to the needy people, Capricorn. Divine protection. You're the boss. Oh, ang mga Capricorn. You're the boss, no? Ikaw ang masusunod. Definitely, Capricorn, the luck is in your side ngayong September. If you can see 555, let go of what is not serving you. Release it and understand that you will be replaced with better. Your angel is protecting to you, Capricorn. Enemy, they don't want you to be happy, victorious, and prosper, Capricorn. Your enemy, they don't want you to be happy. A balanced life is key. Make sure to stay healthy and bring pleasure into your life. Works with crystal. Oh, some of you gumagamit ng mga crystals. Some of you use protection, okay, like crystals. Money is coming to you easily, Capricorn. Just do it. Helping without return. Yes, you are the angel, Capricorn. Marami kang natulungan. You are not alone. The divine is in your side. Fame, you become famous. Evil doesn't exist. Yeah, this card is famous. Alright. So, important email. Yes, check din sa ating email. Okay. It's time to change your life, Capricorn, ngayong September. Works with candles. Some of you gumagamit ng candle magic. You shine like a diamond ngayong September. It's time, in times of trouble, call Archangel Michael. He's protecting to you. 1 month. Yes, after 1 month. Release. It's time to let go of what's no longer serve you. Clear your space. Capricorn, alright. So this card is showing me, I don't know. After 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, Angel says, your best days are ahead of you. Don't be moved by what you see. Keep walking by faith. God has planned to prosper you, Capricorn. Okay. So you are a healer. You are a light. You are a hope. You are the peacemaker, Capricorn. Alright, OMG. You are the peacemaker. Yes. So this is your bottom of a deck, Capricorn. You survived the impossible. Hold your head up high. Your best days are ahead of you. So don't give up, Capricorn, okay? This is your bottom of a deck, Capricorn. You survived the impossible. Hold your head up high. Your best days are ahead of you. So don't give up, Capricorn, alright? So hope you like it, my reading this month of September. Huwag kalimutan mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Sharing is caring, alright? So see you in my next video. Bye-bye!